当人生病，总想找个好医生来把自己的病治好。可在茫茫的人海中，好医生又会在哪儿？谁是好医生？虽然这个想法很简单，但要找到好医生的确不容易。毕竟，好医生是要通过不断的考证才能够得出结论的。有一天，我的朋友经人介绍，找到了一位被传说的很神奇的人。经过了解，他叫爱新觉罗，来自中国北京，是中国清朝的皇家后代，祖上5代都是从事医疗工作。他的父亲是一名优秀的军医，他从小就跟随祖父和父亲在一起接受了高深的医学理论和临床医学教育，随后又研究了中医医药学科与西药的关系，经考核被中国评定为高级治疗师。在澳大利亚，爱新觉罗又毕业于 Meridian 康复学院，从事骨络神经专科治疗工作，并当过这方面工作的老师。在 Ryde Medical Center 医疗中心创下了许多传奇的医疗业绩。
His receptionist Savina has been my patient for years, and then I first come to know about this person, and then after a little while I heard more and more among my patients saying that Jason is a very good healer. So I get to have the chance to do some background search on him. By that time he's still working in UCAMC. And then I found that, he seems to be having very good result with his treatment. So I had a chance to meet him and found that he's a very decent and nice person. Then I just decided to invite him to join our team here. He used a lot of the Chinese traditional medicines, Meridians. He knows them pretty good because he's actually from the emperor family. His grandfather and his dad were also like Chinese herbalists doing the same Meridian massage treatment to stimulate the patient's vital energy inside to help themselves, so that the patient don't really have to rely on medication or anything else. And I found it a great idea. Well, overall the result is really encouraging. Vast majority of patients have very good response to his treatment. I want to quote 2 particular cases. One is a bus driver. I think he's in his early 50s, and he hasn't been able to sit upright for 20 years. And after treatment from Jason, he actually been able to sit upright to drive the bus, which is really important for him. The other one is, I think, a late 20 guy, and he had a stroke 8 years ago. And since then, he hasn't been able to use his right upper limb. But with treatment from Jason, he now could actually grab a biscuit to feed himself with his right hand. And his mom and the whole family are really impressed with it. And I think like Jason have a bit of a miraculous healing, but of course that all come from his experience, and also he did have a heart in healing people.
婆婆，你好。你好。哈，今天来这边呢复查一下哈，不要紧张。好，那么我的感觉是说非常好，已经从前年治疗到现在已经是前后3年了，身体的体型呢都不错。那么你还记得你原来是什么模样吗？发生了什么事情吗？还有没有印象呢？能不能再重新回忆一下？
就係我媽咧，佢本來咧就係以前佢好即係可能佢一路都係為我哋做好多事啦，做到咧即係個腰都攣晒啦，個頸又
我年紀大咗，我年紀大咗，骨質疏鬆。 咁樣咧做自己嘅工作咧又好忙，咁樣自己咧就硬係唔停手咁做，所以自己做到腰骨攣咗都唔知。我哋車衣服噶嘛，咁咪車到70幾歲，彎晒腰都唔知咯。咁後來咧就成日都咳，咁就覺得咧好似有啲感冒，咳極都唔好。咁有一次打咗啲香港嘅叫做復療針啊，就突然間發燒咁就燒到我咧就好緊要，咁就入咗醫院。入咗醫院咧就成個禮拜都唔好，又唔俾我出院。收尾我個第二女就話唔得啦，媽，你轉咗出嚟私家揾第二個醫生啦。咁點知又要住私家房，私家房咧就以為醫生話我咳，驚我有肺病。後來就轉咗私家房，住咗幾日，使咗幾萬人。咁後來佢話我冇乜事，就唔緊要啦，就出院啦。出院收尾翻嚟澳洲，咁啊成日都係有啲咳，有啲咳親咧都係好辛苦咯，好似咳唔出，條氣好挫住。咁後來遇到阿金，佢就話見我個背脊攣，佢話可以同我做，即係做翻直佢，咁我就俾佢做咗10幾次，佢都好好咁同我做，又冇要我嘅錢，睇我幾10歲，我覺得都好感激佢，咁啊一直做到咧，佢話你唔好再做啦。再做得辛苦，條腰攣咗，好難再整翻直㗎啦。因為咧年紀大啦，啲骨咧好脆弱，唔敢同我做得太多，有我熱下先咁咯。咁我一直幾年幾啦都冇做咯，冇做後來自己運動咯，自己朝頭早運動又自己就佢叫我唔好浸頭。又瞓硬床，咁樣一切合作，咁所以我條腰骨咧就漸漸直翻啲，直翻好多，直翻咗之後咧，咁就咳咗都少咗㗎啦。我嚟到澳洲之後，我都一路都冇病嘅，就係因為自從嗰次翻過香港之後，就搞到我喺呢度都要入醫院。入醫院，人哋以為我肺癆搞開我，點知我就乜嘢都唔係個頭耷壓住個氣管，然之後先會咳得咁辛苦咯。收尾阿金同我做咗之後就冇咗呢啲。
很開心，通過你那個背彎曲的那個駝背啊，治平了以後挺起來，這個來說，的確是難度很大。難度很大，所以說平常很多人不太相信的，可是呢，這個奇蹟呢，說實在的，會的人不算是奇蹟，那麼不理解的人總把它看的是好像是不太可能，但你成功了，很痛苦，我很佩服你，因為的確這是一個很痛苦的一個過程，把一個彎曲的背要拉直，而且要把這個頭抬起來。這個沒有一個堅強的信念是做不到的，你明白嗎？
係啊，唔使講呢個。
對。
係啊，我初初我個妹都唔相信嘅，因為我兩個妹妹都係做護士噶嘛。咁樣佢哋話：哇，阿媽80歲咯喎，仲做呢啲嘢啊？換個骨咁脆，一斷咗點算？
而且他哋兩個腿呢都做了手術，
兩個係啊，佢斷過啊嘛，手又斷過，嗱腳又斷過，隻手都被斷過2次，因為佢啲骨頭係好冇力啊，好疏鬆啊，
對，而且
呢度都做咗次手術，
做了支架，
係啊，所以我啲妹都好懷疑，我家姐你唔好搞喎，咁樣我話咁樣得唔得㗎？ 咁我不過咧，我就覺得阿媽都好堅決咁樣話，佢話佢要試下，因為佢唔想再入醫院咁樣俾人誤會啦。
所以說我非常佩服他，因為邊做的時候吧，他邊流了眼淚。後來他也跟我說，我心裏邊很忍，我說婆婆我不做了，因為你太痛苦了。因為這樣的治療的確是有點殘酷哦，這骨頭都歪成那個樣子了，要把它扳直開，很多都不相信的。可是呢，他跟我說，婆婆跟我說，啊，我哭我的，你做你的。哎呀，我說，哎呀，真的是太偉大了，真的。但是呢，這樣的成功來之不易，的確是
忍唔住，但係冇辦法。你做得我好，我咪忍住痛咯，由得你做。
对，所以这个成功呢，不是我的，是他的成功，是他
堅忍，
是他容忍到這種程度，這是不容易。
我好多謝阿金同我做。
不用客氣，不用客氣。
我好記得嘅，今日咧，如果能夠條腰直翻上嚟，人人都話我啊，你個背脊冇咁駝咯喎，你好似好直咯咁我話係啊。
對，不駝了，很直了，對。
係啊，同埋我哋嗰時我婆婆，喂婆婆你高咗2公分啊！
對，高咗2公分。
因為個頭咧本來係耷低噶嘛，而家抬起咗啦，咁樣。
不止2公分，實際上就不止2公分。
個頭咧好自然佢就得㗎啦，唔知點解。咁你就算記住都好啦，佢都冇辦法抬高，因為行兩行佢就攰啦，條頸好攰，背脊一直都唔覺，咁佢就耷翻低個頭。
對呀，那現在很好了，現在很有精神了。對你媽媽的治療有什麼看法嗎？
哦，咁樣佢即係個腰抬起咗之後咧，個人啊，即係精神啊，各樣嘢啲血氣通咗，咁咧個人咧就你睇我媽而家85歲，你話似唔似啊？好，如果你唔睇佢下半身咧，佢根本就冇咁老啊，係咪？
對。
如果佢染下啲頭髮哇，咁啊成個。
對，頭髮挺好的，對，也沒什麼白，對，挺好的，對，不錯，不錯。
同兩支拐杖就唔需要人哋點樣照顧。
對，
自己可以。
很不容易啊！不用扶，還可以拿得。
如果一支咧，你話是解就行到個身都未。
對，所以我讓你拿2支。
歪咗個背脊。
對，一定要拿2個走。
兩支咁樣。
2個走，它這兩邊才會平衡。好不好？千萬不要拿一根，拿一根的話，它會造成偏癱的。
所以我去到邊度都攞2支。
好的，很好。
而家翻香港我一樣攞2支。
好的，不錯啊。
人哋見到我咪用讓位我坐添。知道我係殘廢人士。
謝謝你。
你唔係殘廢，你係老年人啫，唔係殘廢，講錯咗。
唉，都冇辦法，我自認㗎啦我都話，我揸呢支拐杖10幾年啦，自從斷咗隻腳之後，嗰人70幾歲啦。
係啦，因為唔知道原來用拐杖單邊用拐杖會令到個肩胛骨脱離㗎，變咗個背脊就拱起上嚟。
所以說那個時候我才叫他一定要拿2個拐棍。
拿
2個拐棍，因為那天上次就是說在給他治療這個背的時候，發現他是單偏變形的。單面變形再加上一個駝背，這個駝背的話，我們通常所叫做羅鍋，對吧？但是要把它治好，那麼將來要使用這個拐棍的話，必須是雙向的，就2個手同時使用。
而家我哋都係買2支拐杖。
現在很不錯，很不錯。這樣來看人才會平衡。
OK，咁啊多謝醫生啦嚇。
好，不客氣嚇。